Hello viewers, welcome once again to Tech Caleb. In this episode, we are going to learn how to create what we call tables in Excel. Like I said in the other episode, the other video, we learned about the general properties of Excel, and at this point we are going to be learning how to create tables in Excel. Viewers, don't forget to hit on the notification bar and make sure you subscribe to Tech Caleb, and make sure you like the videos and share them. Okay, so now let's get started. But before we create a table, there is something I want you guys to know, is how to highlight a cell. First of all, right click on maybe one cell, and then you just drag it this way. You just highlighted some part of the cells in Excel. So in creating a table, what you have to do is to make sure you highlight the part of the cell you want to create your table. So let's start all over again. So this is the part I want my table to be. Okay, that's to create our table. So no, let me make it here so that I can see it clearly. Let me drag it this way. Okay, fine. This is the part we are going to create our table. Now look at the font ribbon. On the font ribbon, we are going to all borders. This option here is what we call all borders. So you just click on it. Now we'll go forward. Here is what we call all borders. So you just click on it so that our table is created. Now you can enter any data you want. Let me see, Tech Caleb. Tech Caleb. Okay, the next one we can see subscribe, and the next one we can see share, and the next one we can see like, and we can see comment, and we can see view. Okay, so apart from this, so here we can see maybe video 1, video 2, just video 2, and video 3, and so on. You can enter any data you wish you would like to enter. So this is where we are going to do our background color. Just highlight it again. I'll go to full color and I'll choose the color we want to do. We like to take here. We've taken yellow, and wow, we are able to make our background color to be yellow. Okay, so if we want to also change the text and the text color, and it is done. You already know how to do that in the previous episode, so if maybe you've not seen it, you can go and check it out on the other video. Okay, you can see we are changing the text color to make our table look more presentable. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to Tech Caleb, like and share the videos. See you on the other video.